Tricky words set for H, E, he. H, E, he. H, E, he. He is my friend Sam. U, P, up. U, P, up. U, P, up. Ben is going up the stairs. N, O, no. N, O, no. N, O, no. After shopping all afternoon, Jim had no money left. F, R, O, M, from. F, R, O, M, from. F, R, O, M, from. I picked some beautiful flowers from the garden. D, A, Y, day. D, A, Y, day. D, A, Y, day. It is a beautiful sunny day. I, 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 I. I like to read books about animals. H, A, D, head. H, A, D, head. H, A, D, head. For breakfast, Ben had a glass of milk. M, U, M, mum. M, U, M, mum. M, U, M, mum. Last Sunday, I baked some delicious cookies with my mum. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. There are many children at the park. MADE, maid. MADE, maid. MADE, maid. Dad made soup for dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.